Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to another reaction video. And this time I'm taking a look at a teaser trailer of sorts. I guess it's more like a, it's coming. It's not even like a teaser. It's like a, hey, we're doing it and it's coming next year. This is a teaser of sorts for Birds of Prey, which is going to be the Harley Quinn led solo movie, except not really solo because she's going to be a part of a team of, I'm assuming, I don't really know much about Birds of Prey. Birds of Prey, I think, is a bunch of villainesses, I guess you could say. A bunch of villains teaming up, kind of, to do something. I don't know. I have no clue. None. And to be honest, I forgot this movie was even coming out. Not that I forgot the movie was coming out. I just forgot it was a movie. I forgot. I thought it was going to be a TV show about these characters. And that was it. I didn't think Margot Robbie was coming back. I had no idea. Okay? And I'm sure they announced it on about 25 million different comic book centric websites, but I don't follow them. I'm sorry. I just don't. I love comic book movies. I just don't feel the need to do that. And this is, I just don't do that. But I had no idea it was a movie. I heard it was coming. For some reason I thought it was a TV show. I don't know why. I really don't know. I don't know. Just the idea of Birds of Prey as a movie doesn't make sense to me. I guess it makes more sense as a show because they can get into wacky antics every episode, you know. But not that I don't think they're wacky in the comics, but whatever. Let's check out this. It's called See You Soon. It's a teaser. It's 20 seconds long. So we're not going to get much from this, I don't think. Again, I don't know anything about it. I know Margot Robbie is back. That's about it. I don't know who else is in this. I think maybe Poison Ivy. I'm assuming Poison Ivy. I think she's a part of the Birds of Prey. I don't know, though. So please. All right, let's go. I'm pretty sure that's true, though. Anyway, let's go. Because they talk about that in Injustice 2 a couple times. But whatever, anyway. There's Harley right there. Oh, crossbow. Oh, they're edgy. Oh, shit. Whoa, hey, oh, I just saw a couple guys. Triggered. See you soon. What's up? Okay. Alright. No, I don't want to watch Funhouse right now. I'll watch that later. Alright. So, not much to get from that. There's a bunch of flashes of different people. Alright, this girl's edgy. She got a bat. She's doing this. Edgy. I'm scared. Okay. Two crossbow. Oh, wait, no. I'm sorry. Crossbow and a gun, it looks like. That's pretty awesome. I don't know who this is. Oh, wait. Is this, oh my god. I'm blanking. Hold on. You know what? I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna look it up and pretend that I know. Like, I'm gonna look it up right now. Hold on. Birds of Prey movie. I'm gonna look at the cast. Hold on. Give me a second. Huntress. I knew it. That's Huntress. I was actually, it's funny. I was gonna say Huntress. I swear to God, but I was gonna say as a joke, because she just had a crossbow. I was just gonna say Huntress. Like, as a joke, like, that's her name, but I guess that's her name. And that's Mary Elizabeth Winstead, I guess. Oh, that's kind of cool. Maybe I should look at the entire cast. Black Canary's in this. Oh, shit. Did we see Black Canary in there? Awesome. Victor Zsasz in there? Oh, shit. Hold on. I might be excited for this now. All right, let's go. Let's just look through this again. Hold on. All right, so that's supposed to be Mary Elizabeth Winstead. I'm assuming that's Huntress. I don't know. All right, you know what? Actually, let's go back. Let's just do this. This will be easier. All right. So you got. All right. Well, hold on. That it still goes too quick. Like, all right. Who the fuck? Who? Hold on. Stop it. That's Mary Elizabeth Winstead. Yeah, that's her too. I think so. I love that woman. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, that's Victor Zsasz. That's totally Victor Zsasz. Yeah. That's a weird version of Victor Zsasz, though. He better have scars on his body. Isn't Victor Zsasz usually, like, bald? Well, I don't know. Maybe the times I've seen him, he's been bald. Maybe he's not usually bald. Hey, Victor Zsasz is one of my favorites because he's just a sadistic murderer. Like, he's sadistic. Every time he kills somebody, he just marks himself by scarring himself. He's insane. Like, Joker has, like, he's methodical about it. It's just Victor Zsasz just kills people. He don't give a fuck. That's her again. Oh, who's that? Oh my god. Wait, that's Black Canary. But my boy, look at that man. He's like 50 years old. He's beautiful still. Ewan McGregor? What the fuck? Wait, hold on. Who's that? Who are you? I'll look it up in a minute. Is that the same? Is that Victor Zsasz still? I don't know. He looks different. He has the same. I think that's supposed to be still the same guy. All right, and there we go. There's Harley. Of course, everybody knows who Harley is. I'm glad she's back too, because she's easily the best part. Well, her and Will Smith are easily the best parts of Suicide Squad. Ewan McGregor's Black Mask? No fucking way. Oh my god, Victor Zsasz and Black Mask? That's awesome. All right. Oh, the full title. Oh, okay. All right. The full title for this movie is called Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of One Harley Quinn. That's the full title. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. It's no Birdman and the Unexpected Virtue of Ignorance. That's the full title. But it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Kathy Yan. That's who's directing it. Oh, she's only directed like short stuff, it looks like. She directed, I don't know, Dead Pigs? Never heard of this. It's supposed to be okay. Alright. Okay, cool. So they're giving someone a chance. They're not just hiring any, just big name guy. They gave Penny Jenkins? Or Jenkins? It's Jenkins, right? They gave her a chance. I mean, she directed Monster, but besides that, she hasn't really directed too much, and they gave her a chance with Wonder Woman. I'll give DC credit there. They do give chances to directors, besides, of course, just using Zack Snyder over and over again. David Yates, that was inspired choice, because even though David Yates is popular enough, he's not, like, hugely popular. Like, his most popular movie was a movie that came out early 2000s, Training Day. And that, I don't even think he directed. He only wrote it, I think. So I give him that. I mean, Marvel does the same thing. So they give, like, Captain Marvel the director. It's 2 directors for Captain Marvel. I'm pretty sure they've only done maybe TV stuff before. I could be wrong. But anyway, teaser, not much to go by. It's just showing the cast pretty much, and just showing how they look before they're I guess not. The only one they showed before the transformation to villain was Ewan McGregor, because he didn't have the mask on. That was the only thing. Victor Zsasz, that might just be how he looks in the movie. I just hope they don't ghettoize it like they did with Suicide Squad. Like, Harley Quinn looks exactly the same as she did in Suicide Squad, but that was fine. She looked good. I'm just talking about, I'm talking about everything else, especially the Joker. And I don't know if the Joker's supposed to show up in this. I doubt it, but I'm sure it'll be referenced. And if he does show up, I really hope they don't. I just want them to do something different. That Joker's so lame. I'm sorry. I think he's lame. Like, you can like that movie, but that is such a lame-ass Joker. He's so fucking lame. I'm sorry. I know lame. I said lame like 18 times, but that's the best way to explain it. Not horrible, just really lame. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. Birds of Prey.